All right, second graders, how's it going today? Today, we're going to be talking about skip counting and counting coins. 5, 10, 15. I'm rich! You should be able to find this in your packets from school. This is week 2 math section, okay? So let's get started. What is skip counting? Well, let's do an example of it real quick, right? So we all know how to count to 10, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what were we doing? Well, that's skip counting. We are skip counting using the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what we can do is change what number we use to count. So instead of counting every single one, in this example, we're going to count every second number, right? So that would go 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? So in that case, we skipped every second number. So we went from 0 to 2, that's 2 numbers, right? We went from 2 to 4, that's 2 numbers. 4 to 6, that's 2, right? We're adding 2 every single time. So 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4, right? And so on. Next, let's give an example with 3, right? So we go 0, and then 3. What's 3 plus 3? 6. What's 6 plus 3? 9. All right? We could even do this with something like a bigger number like 9, right? So 0, 9. What's 9 plus 9? 18. What's 18 plus 9? 27. That might be a little bit harder, bigger numbers, but you'll get there, right? But it's the same idea. So if you're ready, skip on over to your homework after you pause this video and give it a try yourself. All right. So now what we're going to do is apply what you learned in the last section, but in this case, we're going to apply it to money. So even more fun, right? So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be talking about coins and how we add them up. So first of all, the first thing you need to know, the most essential information, that is a penny is worth 1 cent. This is a nickel. And lies. That is not a nickel. This is a nickel. It is worth 5 cents or 5 of these. This is a dime. It is worth 10 of those pennies. And this is a quarter, and it is worth 25 pennies. So that's how we distinguish what kind of money we're using, right? So everything is based on pennies. So now let's apply skip counting, right? So if I take 1 quarter and skip count to the next quarter, what would it be? Well, 25 plus 25. Now I've got 50 cents, right? Let's skip count again. Now we've got 50 plus 25, 75. And if I've got 75 and I skip count one more time, I get 100 cents or $1 whole dollar, right? So 4 quarters is $1. Very important for the arcade. Wait, do you guys even go to the arcades anymore? Who knows? All right, guys. So one last thing that you can kind of do that's kind of fun is go around the house and find as many coins as you can, count them up, and give them to your parents. Tell them how much money you found for them. That'd be really nice. They would appreciate that, I think. So that's it for today. And remember, wash those hands.